Assalamualaikum class 7th. Today date is 27/7/2020. It's my 17th lecture and day is Monday. Today I am going to start story writing. Topic is story writing. And what is the title of the story? The title of the story is written here. Union is strength. You will write topic story writing, and then before starting the story you will write union is strength. It's mean कि इत्तेहाद एक कुव्वत है या इत्तेहाद में ताकत है. See the story. Once an old farmer had 3 sons. They always quarreled among themselves. कि एक किसान था, एक फार्मर था, उसके 3 sons थे. A farmer had 3 sons and they always fighting with each other. कि हमेशा वो एक दूसरे के साथ झगड़ा करते रहते थे, लड़ाई करते रहते थे. The old man advised them many times to live united but in vain. So the old man always advised his son that they should be united. बट इन वेन मीन्स इसमें उसका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होता था. बट दे डोंट लिसन टू हिम. व्हेन द ओल्ड फार्मर वाज वन ऑन हिज डेथ बेड ही सेंट फॉर हिज सन. सो व्हेन ही वाज जस्ट डाइंग ही कॉल्ड देयर सन्स टू कम एंड मीट हिम. सेंट फॉर हिज सन्स मीन्स कि उसने अपने बेटों को बुलाया, अपने पास बुलाया. व्हेन दे केम ही आस्क्ड देम टू ब्रिंग सम स्टिक्स. So when they came, he said, "You have to bring some sticks for him." He tied the sticks in a bundle. Tied means बांध दिया. So what he do? He tied the sticks into a small bundle. कि उसने उन sticks के एक छोटा सा bundle बना दिया. He asked them to break the bundle. They tried one by one, but no one could break it. So the farmer said his sons to break this bundle, but they don't break the bundle. They tried one by one, but they don't break it. Then he united the bundle and gave one stick to each other. Untied the bundle and gave one stick to each. So at last what he do? He untied. उसने वो जो bundle था उसको खोला और एक एक stick सब जो 3 sons थे उनमें distribute कर दी. He asked them to break the sticks. Everyone broke the sticks easily, and the farmer said his sons to break the sticks, and at last they all break the sticks easily. He took the pieces of the sticks and advised them. So the farmer took the pieces of the sticks and he again advised them. When the sticks are united, they are strong, and when they are scattered, they are weak. Scattered means बिखर जाना. So when the stick was united, यानी जब जो sticks थी वो आपस में जुड़ी हुई थी तो वो मजबूत थी, और जैसे ही वो बिखरी वो कमज़ोर हो गई. Similarly, if you are united, you will be strong and you will be ruined if you are scattered. कि इसी तरह से अगर तुम यूनाइटेड रहे तो तुम मजबूत रहोगे, और अगर तुम स्कैटर्ड यानी बिखर जाओगे तो यू विल बी ruined. ruined मीन्स यू विल बी डिस्ट्रॉय. कि तुम तबाह हो जाओगे, तुम बर्बाद हो जाओगे, ruined हो जाओगे. The advice had a good effect on the farmer's son. They began to live unitedly and never quarreled after their father's death. So after their father's death, they never fight with each other and they become united. And his advice has a good effect on his son. You have to write the moral. United you stand, divided you fall. यानी जब तक आप एक कुव्वत रहते हो या मजबूत रहते हो तब तक आप खड़े रहते हो. जैसे ही आप डिवाइड होते हो यानी तकसीम होते हो तो आप गिर जाते हो, यानी आप जो है आपका डाउनफॉल स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो यू विल राइट द मोरल, just one moral, and you will write union is strength as a title and write all the story. That is your home task. You have to write this story on your notebook and also learn it. I hope you will understand it. It's very easy story and you can easily learn it. I love this class.